Today we did accomplished.
Out.
Alright, today's goal, we're going to gut the rest of this Volvo, install a roll cage, install the new steering wheel we got here. Nice quick release Momo. Let's see what it's going to look like. Today we did accomplished. Today. Okay, guys, we accomplished quite a bit today. We got the steering wheel in. We cleaned out the back, and back was really filthy. We installed one section of the roll cage, which we have quite a bit left. But on the next episode, we're going to be finishing up the roll cage. We're going to be painting the roll cage, and we're going to be painting the floor in a bed liner, maybe a undercoating kind of material, just so it'll be nice and clean. But after that, we're gonna start attacking the suspension, engine, all that stuff. So let's stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and have a good night.